Welcome to STAR students. Today we are going to see the next exercise in graph. That is, now take your graph note, write serial number as 2. Now exercise 15.2. Okay, now we will see in this exercise. That is what abdinina. This is plot the points. Okay, write this in your index page. Okay, number 2, exercise 15.2, write the date, today's date right here. In the bracket you write plot the points. Okay, next take your graph note that two sums are completed. We have completed in two sums. The next page you write here exercise 15.2. Okay, this is exercise 15.2. Write the date, today's date here. Question number 1 is plot the following points. Plot the following points on a graph sheet. Okay, verify if they lie on a line. Lie on a line. Okay, the first question is A 4, 0, B 4, 2, C 4, 6, D 4, 2.5. This is a question. These are the points A, B, C, D. We are going to mark the points in the graph sheet. Okay, now take your left side of your graph sheet, write this question. So we are going to mark these points in the graph. Okay, take this. Now we draw a x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now x-axis, you all know that. Leave two lines. So this is x-axis. Okay. Now y-axis we draw. Okay, this coordinate is 0. Okay, now we mark the numbers in x-axis, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum number is in this question number 4. Okay, so we mark this up to 5, 6, 7 is enough, I think. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now the first point is A. That is what? 4, 0. In 4, 0, the last class I told to you 4, 0 is in the first number is in x-axis, second number is in y-axis. Okay, so A 4 is in x-axis mark on 4, 0. Where is 0 in? This one is 0. Okay, in y-axis and x-axis 0 is common for that. So 4, 0 is in the 4, 0 is marked in the x-axis. So 4, 0. Clear? Next number is here A of 4, 0. Then what is the number B? 4, 2. See, 4 in x-axis 4, y-axis 2. So 4, 2. Right here B 4, 2. Okay. Next in C 4, 6. 4, 6. C is 4, 6. Okay. Next one 4, 2.5. D point is 4, 2. This is 2.5. See, in 2 and 3, middle point is 2.3. So, right here D 4, 2.5. Okay. So, these are the points A, B, C, D are marked here. So, now we are going to, the question is verify if they lie on a line. So, we are going to join these points. So now we are joining these points A, B, C, D. Verify that if they lie on a line. Yes, these points are lie on a line. Okay. So we are going to write the answer. Yes. So now we write the scale value in x-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to how many units? 1 தான் எடுத்திருக்கோம். So 1 unit. In y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is the scale. Now we write the answer for this. Yes. Yes, above all points lie on the same line. Okay, this is the first one completed. So given points we marked in the graph. In the next question, that is your homework. I will write the question. So this is B question is your homework. P of 1 comma 1, then Q of 2 comma 2, or 3 comma 3, S 4 comma 4. Okay, you mark these points in the graph and find out that these points are lie on a straight line or not. Okay, same line lie varudha அப்படின்றத check பண்ணுங்க. This is your homework right here as homework. Okay, now the next one, see K of 2 comma 3, L of 5 comma 3, M 5 comma 5, N 2 comma 5. K, L, M, N. Okay, 2 comma 3, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5. Okay, in the same method we mark these points in the graph. First we draw a x and y axis. Okay. First we draw this x-axis. This is x-axis. Now we draw the y-axis. Zero, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Now we mark the points. First one is K, that is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, from the first point is K 2 comma 3. Where is 2 in x-axis? 2 is here 3. So write here K 2 comma 3. Write neatly and clearly. Okay. Then L 5 comma 3. See 5, 3. L. This is L 5 comma 3. The next point is M 5 comma 5. M 5 comma 5. 5. Here 5. Okay. So here 5 M. Right here M 5 comma 5. Okay. Next N. N is 2 comma 5. 2, 5. This point. N 2 comma 5. Okay. So now we are going to join these points. K and L mark pandrom. K L. Then L M. Then M N. See, these points are lie on the same line. No. Same line kadayadu. Okay, so that we write no. Above the points do not lie on the same line. Clear? So now we are going to write the scale. In x-axis same da. In x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. In y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, now we write the answer for this. No is the answer. No. above all points do not lie on the same line. Okay, so this is the solution for that. The second sum is for your homework. You mark the points in a graph, you find out it is lie on a point, lie on a line or not. Okay, next question, the second question is draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. இப்போ இந்த points mark பண்ணிட்டு line draw பண்றோம். அந்த line where it is meet the x-axis and y-axis ன்றது find out பண்ண போறோம். Okay, the same model we draw a x and y coordinates and then mark the points 2, 3 and 3, 2. So now draw the x-axis. Next you draw the y-axis. This is y, 0, x-axis. Okay, now the first point is 2, 3. First we mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am writing in the dark line only. See, correctly you write 7, 8. Okay, the first point is 2, 3. Where is 2 in the x-axis? 2. In 3 is here. Okay, this is 2, 3. Then another one point is 3, 2. Where is 3? In x-axis 3. Here it is 2. This is right, 3, 2. Okay, we marked these points. See, and the points மேல நம்ம வந்து draw பண்ணும்போது ஒரு straight line we get in straight line. That line should be touch the x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis one point is there and y-axis also one point is there. What is that point? X value is 5. This is 5, 0. Okay, in this point is in x value is here 0. So 0, 5. Okay, this is a question they are asking. So in the point la adu vandu touch agudhu அப்படின்றது பாத்தீங்கன்னா in x axis la 5, 0, in y axis 0, 5. இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல தான் அது வந்து டச் ஆகி இருக்குது. Okay, now we are going to write the answer. After drawing a graph line passing through the points. What are the points? Passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. The coordinates of the points which meets the x-axis and y-axis are 5, 0 and 0, 5. Okay. So these 2 points la dhaan adu vandu touch aagi varudhu respectively. So that's all in question number 2. Next, question number 3. Students, see your book. This is the exercise 15.2. Now we will see question number 3. Write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figure. So this figure is given. We are going to mark the points, the coordinates. What are the coordinates is there? A point is given. So you write the point. Which point is that? A is what? 2, this is 2. Yeah, y value is 0. So A is what? 2, 0. Then B point is what? Mark the point. 2, 3. B is 2, 3. Okay, like this you complete this in your book. Okay, we are going to mark all the points. A yoda point enna abindradha mention panna you write it is in your book itself. Okay, next question says state whether true or false, correct that or false. Okay, so என்ன true or false ன்னு பார்க்கணும். அதை வந்து கரெக்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. எதெல்லாம் ஃபால்ஸாக இருக்கோ அதை we are going to correct that. அதை ட்ரூவாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க நம்ம. So இந்த first question is a point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero will lie on the y axis. Kandipa, very good. See in this point, இப்போ இங்கே இது இருக்கு இல்லையா, in the c, what is the c value அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா in 3ல தான் இருக்குது. What is the x value? அப்போ 0, 3. Okay, see இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா a point whose x coordinate is 0. See here x coordinate 0 இருக்குது, y coordinate is non-zero, that is 3 இருக்குது. So it is lie on the y axis. அப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது y axis மேலே தான் இருக்குது. So it is true. Okay, next question. A point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lie on y axis. See y coordinate 0 இருக்குது. Okay, in x coordinate 5 இருந்ததுன்னா x coordinate வேல்யூ இருக்குன்னா அப்போ x coordinateல தான் இருக்கும். here இங்கே y coordinate வேல்யூ இருக்கு, x is 0, அப்போ yல தான் அந்த பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது. அப்போ 2, 0 பாருங்க, xக்கு வேல்யூ இருக்கு, y 0னா அப்போ அது x coordinateல தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இப்போ 0 வர கோஆர்டினேட்டில் இருக்காது அது. see here a point y coordinate is 0ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, x coordinate 5ன்னு இருக்காங்க, that is 5, 0ன்னு வரும். அப்போ இது எங்கே இருக்குன்னா it is on the x coordinate தான், but here they are given in y axis, that is false. Clear? The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0, that is 0, 0. இங்கே போட்டிருந்தோம்ல இதுதான் 0, 0, that is true. Okay, that's all. This 15.2 is completed. The graph, the 2 exercise only for this in this slide we are having these 2 exercise only. In the next slide we will complete the remaining 1 exercise. Okay, that's all. Graph over. Okay, in the next class we will revise the graph and geometry, and you are going to write the test in graph and geometry. Okay, so that's all graph. Okay, thank you students.